Excuse me?
All right, you guys, now get back to work. The castle doesn't heat itself, you know. Hi, Carol. So, what can I do you for, lady?
I'm looking for a log.
All right, logs we got. What do you want? Hardwood, softwood? We gotta go. We got birch, maple, pine, oak, concrete. My head. Don't worry, it'll pass. So, make up your mind already?
Is it alright if I just browse?
Suit yourself. Take your time. Me, I got work to do. Hey, what am I paying you for? Being boring? Do that on your own time. Get out of here.
Yes. Oh.
What are you hiding?
It's a Yule log. A Yule log. It's a wonderful tradition. One log is chosen, and everyone in the house touches it and makes a Christmas wish.
Wishes are stupid. You made a Christmas wish last year. Is this what you wished for?
No. But I will keep wishing. And when the log is burned on Christmas morning...
There will be no Christmas.
But...
No! I am the master here.
How can you be so selfish?
You cannot possibly understand. You have no idea what it's like to lose everything. To be trapped in your own castle. To be a
prisoner. The only one holding us prisoner here is you. Well, I'm not giving up.